welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendler. If you're new, please like, share, and do subscribe. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can make your glow lightening oil. So this oil is basically going to make you lighter. I'm going to tell you if you're a dark skin person, I'm going to tell you how you can use it to glow your skin, and if you're light skin, I'm going to tell you how you can use it to lighten your skin as well. So stay tuned to this video. So guys, in this video we're going to be needing almond oil. Yeah, so let's say we're using this almond oil is 200 ml. Yeah, that's 200 ml, and it's pure almond oil as it says. So the benefits of almond oil: it reduces puffiness in eye, you know, that eye bag, that eye circle, it reduces the puffiness. And then it treats sun burns or damages of skin caused by sun. It reduces acne. It helps in lightening and brightening the skin. And then there are so many more benefits of almond oil. Plus, almond oil is a very light oil. But in case you don't have almond oil, jojoba oil or jojoba oil is the best to use. So we're using 200 ml of this. Oh, now it's about 150 ml. See, I've used a bit from it, so it's 150. So guys, let's say we're using 250 ml of pure almond oil, and then this one is for the light skin. Say you're using 250 ml of pure almond oil. Then carrot oil. When we're using carrot oil, not the fried one, the one that are fried, they tend to like darken the skin. We're talking about the cold pressed carrot oil. I think I should do a video on that one. That one is actually amazing on skin. It's super. Like, you can use it as a whole. It's not going to darken you, it's just going to give you this glow and all. So if you have that one, it's perfect. So 250 ml of your pure almond oil. You add 50 ml of your carrot oil. Or if you want jojoba oil, trust me, jojoba oil is the best, or jojoba oil, whichever way you call it. It's actually the best to use. So if you have it, it's better I use it than almond oil. Okay, it's very, very nice on skin. Like, it's the best oil when it comes to anything skin. Jojoba oil is the best. So if you have it, you can use like 250 ml. If you don't have it, you can use your pure almond oil. So your pure almond oil or your jojoba oil, 200 ml, and then let's say carrot oil, 50 ml. Rosehip oil, I love rosehip oil because rosehip oil is anti-aging. I always talk about rosehip oil in my videos. Like, you can check my previous videos, I talked about it a lot. And then for light skin, add your glutathione. So this is glutathione. Add one of this. You add one into the oil, and then, yeah guys, this one, something about glutathione is it doesn't affect your skin, doesn't cause sunburn or anything. It's just a really mild and sweet oil that protects your skin actually. Yes, if you know about glutathione powder, they do the same thing. Most people that take glutathione medication or pills, it's so that it will work from inside and help treat any skin condition. So it's a very good serum, or serum, whitening serum. So you add one of this to the oil. Let me keep this. Okay, and then you add 50 ml of your rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is very nice. And then don't forget to add your tea tree oil. Add like 3 drops of this, or 4 drops. And then also you can add any other essential oil of your choice, and orange oil. Add 50, or this 30 is 30 ml. If you have this, better. Add 30 ml. Is it? Can you see it? 30 ml of your orange oil. It's vitamin, contains it's citrus, so it's going to lighten you as well. So I said we should add 200, remember 200 ml either jojoba oil or almond oil, 50 ml carrot oil, 30 ml rosehip oil, 30 ml orange oil, and then 3-drop essential tea tree essential oil for pimples, and any other essential oil you like I like lavender. There is lemon as well, you can add it. Then glutathione, you can add glutathione, and then you can add this other. The last oil you're going to be adding is army white serum. You're going to add 30 ml. I think 30 ml is the full, yeah, it's that full bottle, 30 ml. So you're going to add it. So for the lightening, either you're using jojoba oil or your pure almond oil, 200 ml, 50 ml of carrot oil, 50. If you have turmeric oil, it's very good. I'm going to be doing the video on how to make turmeric oil, and also that carrot oil I was talking about. And rosehip oil, 30 ml, your glutathione, the army white, and then your orange oil, then essential oil, tea tree oil, and for any other essential oil, you can go with lemon, you can go with lavender, play around with it. It's very safe for skin. So that's for the lightening, and it's also going to glow you. Then for the if you're dark skinned, if coconut oil don't react to your skin, it's the best to use. Coconut oil is very, excuse me. So you're going to use 200 ml of coconut oil, and your almond oil you're going to use like 30 gram ml of pure almond oil. Then don't forget to also add, you can add a little bit, just a little bit, just say a spoon of glutathione oil in it. And then avocado oil, that's just all you need. Your dark skin is going to glow like the sun. So it's very, very amazing. If you don't want coconut oil, you can also use jojoba oil. Anybody can use jojoba oil. So use jojoba. If you have jojoba oil, fine. Use 200 ml jojoba oil. Add a tablespoon of glutathione. You can add your orange oil if you want, like 30 ml, and then avocado oil. So this is going to give you a very, very lovely skin. So if your chocolate, what you need is either we're still talking about jojoba oil or pure almond oil. Anyone you want to go for is actually fine. So you're going to use, let's use jojoba oil for instance. You're going to use jojoba oil 200 ml, rosehip oil 30 ml, a little bit of coconut oil. If you react, don't use it, please. Okay, if you react, don't try it at all. A little bit of turmeric oil, like let's say 10 ml turmeric oil, then 30 ml of 30 ml of okay, grapeseed oil, 30 ml of grapeseed oil. Then you add 1 glutathione. Don't add army white, just add 1 glutathione to it, and then mix together. That is for your skin. So you're gonna use it. And then also don't forget, for dark skin and hot chocolate also, and chocolate skin, don't forget to always add your tea tree oil. Always add like 3 drops, and then any essential oil of your choice. You can use lavender, sandalwood is lightens as well, so sandalwood, and it glows the skin. Lemon, just 3 drops. It's not really going to, but so guys, basically that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm actually in my closet. I'm trying to like arrange the whole place. It's really messy, but I hope you guys understand. And yeah, let me talk about this Pond de Lawn. I talked about the face cleanser that removes some bonds and Lightening, you know, there are different, there are three types: the green, the orange, and then the brown. If you're using the green, you don't need to dilute. The green is for people with sensitive skin. It's really mild on skin. If you have like tough skin and you go for that one, it's not going to work for you. The one with pink or orange, try it on your skin first before diluting, because it's for okay. Sorry guys, my phone storage is full. Anyways, try it out before you know if to dilute it. It might be suitable for your skin, so you can use it like that. All I said, even though I felt I was talking, you know, blah blah blah, I'm gonna be leaving everything in the description box below. Thank you guys so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.